time to see what's up in the world of shrimp experiments. Let's see. Here's big old mama. There she is. She was our first one to have eggs. This is her third batch. This is where I put the ones that are almost ready to release their eggs. And I think one of them did this afternoon, so let's see if we can see them in there. Oh, yeah. There they are. They come. Hello, babies. It's a good bunch of zoe. So these guys are just hatched, just born today. It's 1 day old. And they are itty bitty, just itty bitty tiny ones. So I put the mama that was ready to release her eggs into this jar. Oh, there she is. Just swam down the side. There's my big mama. She's got a lot of eggs. Anyway, when I can see the black eyes on the eggs, I put her in this jar inside the big tank, just to keep her nice and warm in there, and just refresh the water from the main tank every day. And she was in there for 3 days this time before she released the eggs, and they hatched today. So this mama, her last batch of eggs is over here in the salt tank, which I made out of a lemonade container that I got at the thrift store. So just take this out of here. Now that is got a lot of brown growing in it. I bought a phytoplankton culture at the Pisces, a live phytoplankton culture, and put some of it in there. This is full strength seawater. I tried another batch over there. That one was half strength, but everything that was in there died after a week. So I guess the ones that I managed to get in this tank, or at least that one mama likes, the babies like full strength. So these ones are doing pretty well. Let's see if we can call them over. Oh, there they come. These ones have been in here for about a month. They still like the light. And we've had just in the last 2 days, we've had a couple of them go through their metamorphosis to the adult state. So they started swimming forward in there. And then they're really hard to catch. They're fast when they start swimming forward. Oh, there's one. Most of these guys, you can see they're swimming backwards, and then they do those weird little jumps. But you might be able to see One or two swimming forward. I put an LED underneath, and so it's grown a nice layer of algae there on the bottom. And then I just leave the light on, and when I run the sponge filter, I put the light on and run the sponge filter for a while. Although honestly, I don't know if it's actually necessary. There. This jar is half-strength seawater that I put some of the phytoplankton culture in. And now I'm just letting it grow. There was I put some zoe in there, but they all died, so now I'm just letting it grow algae. And I just suck some off the bottom to make a little algae smoothie for these guys. I just whiz it up and then feed it to them. Heater's set at 78. And thermometer. Yeah, that's pretty close. That's pretty close. Anyway, they seem to like this temperature. And I was aiming for 1.025 specific gravity. This one actually maintains pretty well with the lid on it. It doesn't lose too much to evaporation. Oh. All right. That's the shrimp update.